Navigating the Possessive Labyrinth, Determiners and Pronouns. Hello learners! Today, we're going to dive deep into the exciting world of English grammar. Specifically, we're focusing on the possessive determiners and possessive pronouns. We'll also tackle some common mistakes and confusions that often crop up. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently distinguishing between the two. So let's get started. Before we jump into the mistakes and confusions, let's quickly recap. Possessive determiners include words like my, your, his, her, its, our, their. They modify a noun, showing ownership. For example, this is my book. Possessive pronouns, on the other hand, are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. They replace a noun and also show ownership. Like in, this book is mine. Now that we're clear on the basics, let's discuss some of the common mistakes people make. 1. Incorrect substitution. People often mix up determiners and pronouns. They might say, this is mine book, instead of, this is my book. Remember, possessive determiners go before the noun they're modifying. 2. Omitting the noun. After possessive determiners, you should have a noun. Saying, this is my, is incomplete. You need to specify what my is referring to. For example, this is my book. 3. Wrong pronoun use. With possessive pronouns, people sometimes add an extra noun. Like, this book is mine one. In fact, it should just be, this book is mine. To avoid these common errors, here are some practical tips and tricks. 1. Link the determiners and pronouns. Visualize a link between the determiners and pronouns. My goes with mine, your with yours, his stays his, and so on. This can help you remember which is which. 2. Check your sentences. After writing a sentence, check if a noun follows a determiner and if a pronoun stands alone. 3. Practice, practice, practice. As with all aspects of language learning, regular practice is key. Use these words in your daily conversations and writing. And there we have it. A deep dive into possessive determiners and possessive pronouns. We've uncovered some of the common pitfalls, and more importantly, how to avoid them. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged by mistakes. They're all part of the learning journey. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.